Hello, welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today we're going to teach you substitution by systems of equations. There are a few steps you have to follow to substitute by systems of equations. First, choose the base equation. Then, you have to solve for one of the variables, typically x. Next, plug in the variable's value into the next equation. Then you need to solve for the next variable, typically y. Plug in the value back into the original base equation. And then solve for the first variable.
Let's look at the first example. We have the equations x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus 2y is equal to 7. To solve for x, take the first equation and get x by itself. Take this and plug it into x in the second equation, giving us 10 minus y minus 2y is equal to 7. Simplify and solve for y, which is equal to 1. Plug y back into the first equation. This gives us x plus 1 is equal to 10. Simplify for x, which is 9. For this set, x equals 9 and y equals 1.
For example 2, let's solve the system of equations 3x minus 2y equals 12 and 7x minus 10y equals negative 9. First we have to solve for x. Take the equation 3x minus 2y equals 12, add 2y to both sides and divide by 3. Now we have x equals 12 plus 2y over 3. Now that we found x, we can plug it into the equation 7x minus 10y equals negative 9, solve for y. Doing so, we can simplify the term inside the parentheses because 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, getting us 7 times parentheses 4 plus 2y over 3 and parentheses minus 10y equals negative 9. Distributing 7, we get 28 plus 14y over 3 minus 10y equals negative 9. Then we can add like terms with the y. Then we get negative 16y over 3 equals negative 37. Multiply 3 to both sides and divide by 16 from both sides to get y equals 111 over 16. Now that we found y is equal to 111 over 16, we can plug that into 3x minus 2y equals 12 to actually solve for x without adding any y variables. Doing so, we get 3x minus 2 parentheses 111 over 16 and parentheses equals 12. Distribute the 2 to get 3x minus 111 over 8 equals 12. Then add 111 over 8 to both sides to get 3x equals 207 over 8. Then we can divide 3 from both sides to get x equals 207 over 24. Now we have x equals 207 over 24 and y is equal to 111 over 16 as the answers to the system of equations.
For our third example, we'll be looking at a system of 3 equations and 3 unknowns. First, pick any of the 3 equations and solve for x in terms of y and z. Using the first equation, we get x is equal to 4 minus y minus z. Substitute this back into any of the 3 equations. In this case, we used the second equation and got the expression 2 open parentheses 4 minus y minus z close parentheses plus 3y plus z is equal to minus 2. Using this, we can solve for y in terms of z to get y is equal to negative 10 plus z. We must substitute this value along with the x value back into one of the 3 equations. This time, we use the third equation and receive the expression minus 4 open bracket 4 minus open parentheses minus 10 plus z close parentheses minus z close bracket, minus 4 open parentheses minus 10 plus z close parentheses plus 3z is equal to 10. Solving for z, we get z is equal to 26/7. We can use this value of z to find y by doing negative 10 plus 26/7 to get negative 44/7. Using both y and z, we can find the x value by substitution. The original equation for x was x equals 4 minus y minus z. So using the values of y minus z, we can get x is equal to 4 minus 44 over 7 minus 26 over 7 to get x equals 46 over 7. So our final answer is x equals 46 over 7, y equals negative 44 over 7, and z equals 26 over 7.
If you enjoyed our video, feel free to hit the like button below or subscribe to our channel. Once again, thanks for watching Algebra Prep Academy.